'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Hello everyone, it's Melanie and welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, I am going to unbox something. Guess what? Actually, alam nyo na ito. You know already what it is. But before that, I just want to say thank you so much, of course, Astro and Remy. Thank you so much, Astro and Remy or Andy, for being so generous to all of us. Thank you, thank you. And of course, I never expected this, that I am one of the receiver of this something here. I'm sorry, Andy. It takes so long to unbox because my time is so preoccupied. But now I have time to unbox already. So, also want to thank Lalabs Inday Merls Cute ng Balaga Bohol. Thank you, Lalabs. Thank you for including me. I never expected this talaga. I'm super happy. I'm so happy to receive this phone. At least, remembrance ko na din. This is one of the remembrance from YouTube that I have received from someone that is very generous like Astro and Remy. Thank you, Andy, for being so kind and generous to us. And Loves and the Merls, thank you talaga. And I'm so happy na nagkikita-kita kami ulit. My YT friends, my YT family. Yan, sila Lalabs Anwar, Lalabs Aishi, si Lalabs Holyo Jessa, si Fire, si Gwapong Katot, syempre, si Sis Elaine, ayan, si Bisay, nakilala ko na din sila in person. I'm so happy to have met them already in person, and they are so nice person, very kind, and ayan, I'm so happy. Andy, or Astro and Remy, I am more than happy to have this thing. Yan. I'm so sorry talaga. I'm so sorry if I just unboxed it now. Sorry naman kung naging OA na ako. Ayan. Gusto ko lang din, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat-lahat. And before that, I just want to say, Migalaban shout out everyone. To all who's supporting me, thank you so much. And hindi na kailangan na isa-isahin ko pa kayo. Thank you sa pagmamahal, thank you sa tiwala, and thank you sa friendship nyo. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo, mahal ko kayo. Thank you so much, everyone. And now, mag-start na tayong mag-unbox. Okay! Ito pala ang aking phone na natanggap. Yan. Siguro naman alam niyo na kung sino-sino ang mga kasama ko na nakatanggap din ng ganito. At syempre, hindi lang po ang natanggap natin. Meron din tayong mga freebies na natanggap. Ayan. Meron tayong freebies. Ano siya? Power bank. Pero ang gusto ko dito kasi cute siya. Ayan. May power bank tayong natanggap. And also, meron tayong yung earphone. Yung earphone at saka ito yung ano, kasi iba kasi ang pinagbilhan namin ng phone, hindi lang sa isang store. Kasi ito kasi doon sa Octagon, and then yung iba doon talaga sa Vivo. Kasi wala na kasing stock na color purple. Kaya magkaiba ang store na binilhan namin. So, ito yung previous. Kasi yung previous nila is I think they received 3 kinds of freebies. So, ito lang yung sa amin, 2. Okay? At syempre, i-unbox natin yan mamaya. So, ito na muna. Ayan, excited na ba kayo makita ang aking phone? Para namang ano, no? Ayan. Again, this is a Vivo B50 Lite. Ayan. Thank you, Andy, Astro, and Remy. Ayan, i-unbox na natin. Actually, this box is already open because when you purchase a phone, you already have to open it to check. Okay? Here, and I want to show you what is inside also of the box. Yan. This one is the phone. Actually, they already open it because when you purchase a phone, you have to test. 'Di ba? Alam niyo naman yan. Ayan. Ito yung, yan. Na-open na siya. And then, this is the phone. And I really love it. It's purple. It's purple. Yeah. Nice. Okay. And I want to show you also what is inside the box. Okay, this one. And there is this. Yan. Ito yung pwede nating gamitin muna for the meantime. Yung shock proof. Yun, para pag hindi siya, para pag nalaglag siya, hindi siya mabasag or tatalon lang siya. I don't know. Pero kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng ng something to protect the phone. Yan, tika, punasan natin ng tissue. Wala pa siyang protector, screen protector, not yet. I have to bring this at the mall. Yan, nilagay ko na ang aking shockproof. Yan, para hindi naman siya pwedeng, actually, dapat yung pinalagyan ko na doon sa mall, pero, nagmamadali na kasi we are so hungry. Ayan siya. Very nice. And this is the color. Purple. Here. Very nice, diba? Ayan. And also, is the serial number. Yeah, yeah. Okay. And there is also merong papel kasama sa box. Siyempre, ipakita na din natin. Andy, thank you so much, Andy. And this one is the part of the phone here. Okay. And, of course, makikita mo rin ng may mga ganito. Ang Vivo. Ano siya? Important information about the phone here. You can also read, meron siyang important information about this phone. Okay, and this one. Okay, and here's the charger. Yan, hindi pa siya na-open kasi iba yung ginamit. And of course, meron tayong pang tanggal ng, pang ng SIM card. Yan. So, wala na. So, eto ang charger. And this is yung partner sila. Okay? We can put it back at the box. Kasi hindi ko pa siya gagamitin dahil kailangan ko pa siyang gamitin pang Okay, and then syempre, hindi naman pwedeng hindi natin di ba, ipa-open. Actually, guys, they already opened this at nag-on naman. Okay? Actually, ayan, hindi ko alam. Yan, dito tayo natin I don't know if mag-open pa siya. Yan. There you go. Ayan, nag-open na siya. Ayan, nag-open na ang aking Vivo. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Nakalagay pa dito, 650. 650 kasi hindi pa siya nakaset. 650 pa, January 11. Kasi hindi pa siya nakaset. Nakalagay lang siya dito, default. Naka-default pa siya dito ng January 11, Saturday, 6:50. So, ayan. Isiset lang namin, isiset ko lang ito. Hindi ko pa siya na-iset kasi, ayan. O, diba? Purple. Nice, diba? Very nice. Ayan. You know, nice. Nakakatuwa kasi at first, gusto ko talaga is pink. Pink talaga ang gusto ko. Pero Lalabs Inday Merl said that there is no pink. So, purple na lang. Yan. Happy din si Lalabs Eyes kasi meron na siyang purple pink. Ayan. Ang cute. I'm so happy. I'm so happy talaga. Gagamitin ko to pang vlog. Kasi yung isang phone ko dito, ito kasi si Huawei. Favorite ko ito pang video for MTV. So, ito na lang kay MTV. Ito na lang yung para kay Melanie. Yay! So that I can bring this outside to make a video. Thank you so much, Andy! Thank you so much. Ayan, ang aking purple na Vivo. Ayan, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ang ganda. Super ganda. Yun. Okay, after natin i-unbox, unbox din natin ang aking eto. Teka, kukuha ko ng Kukuha tayo ng cutter. Ayan. Ano siya? Yung power bank. Siyempre, i-unbox din natin. Paano ba? Hindi ako marunong mag-unbox na. Wait lang ha. I-unbox ko muna to ha. Okay, nandito na ang aking ito yung aking power bank. Okay, open natin. Ano to? Previous lang to. Previous. Ayan. Ayan siya. Power bank. R211. Okay? At saka meron siyang papel. Okay. At ang kinaganda lang nito is lang siya, wala na siyang wire-wire. Ilalagay na lang siya dito sa sa puwet ng this one. Ang so cute, 'di ba? This is color white. Ang cute. And this one is yung i-charge. Hindi. Pwede dito. Dito. Pwede dito. And then, pwede din dito. Pwede siya sa sa ibang phone. Yeah. Sa iPhone yata ito. Pwede dito kung meron kang iPhone. Tapos ito naman sa Type-C. Like this. Yan. Ganyan siya. Diba ang cute? Ganyan lang. Naka-charge siya dito sa power bank. Ayan. So, kahit na pumunta ka sa labas, wala kang daladalang wire. Ganyan lang siya. Naka 31. Nagcha-charge siya ngayon dito sa power bank. Ayan. So, para sa akin, ay parang baliktad. Teka, ulitin natin. Kasi meron siyang, ayan, parang ganyan lang. Tinanggal ko talaga, no, para ipakita. Kasi parang baliktad. Ayan, meron siyang, meron siya ditong nakalagay 100. Ay, hindi pala, 00 ba? Ayan. Yan. Flash chart. Ba, ang ganda niya. Okay, ayan. So, ganda, 'di ba? Okay. Tapos meron din siyang isang earphone. 'Yun ang kasama sa sa freebies. Ayan. Pero I don't know kung if I can use this because hindi ako mahilig mag-earphone ng may wire kasi meron akong earbud. 'Yun. Ayan siya. Kasama ito sa freebies. Ayan. Ayan. So, yun lang. At saka syempre, gusto ko din ipakita sa inyo ang binigay ni Lalabs. Aishi. Ayan. Ito, gusto ko to. Silver. Tapos may black din. Binigay to ni Lalabs Aishi. Ayan, patungan ng phone. Ito muna ipatong natin ang aking isang phone. 'Di ba? Yan. Ganda, Lalabs Aishi. Thank you so much for this. Ayan, pwede siyang ilagay dito. Ayan. Yan, pwede na tayong mag-live. At saka, di ba ang cute? Kasi nilalagay ko to sa aking table once na magpapa-music ako. So, ayun lang muna. And also, basta happy ako dito. Thank you so much, Andy, Astro, and Remy sa aking natanggap na new phone. Thank you. Okay, again, I just want to say thank you everyone. Thank you. At saka sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin, thank you so much. Meron lang din akong i-shout out. Hi Langga, Florensato. I miss you. And always remember that I'm here. Loving you. Yun. Namimiss talaga kita, Langga, Florensato. I love you. Ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. And thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye. Oh, by the way, I will add something before I will end this video. Lalabs and Dimers give us 1,000 pesos to complete the 15,000 pesos because the Vivo 50 Lite is only 13,999. So, Lalabs and Dimers gave us the remaining 1,000 pesos. Thank you so much, and I will never forget this gift from Astro and Remy. Andy, thank you so much. And of course, thank you din kay Lalabs and Dimers. Lalabs and Dimers, thank you so much.